Hi guys, content for everybody. Came here looking like a boy. My hair's a mess and I don't want to talk about it. If you are a real OG on these videos, honestly you would know I wore these on the first video that I made about how to speak Xitsonga. So you're a real OG, shout out to you. Today I wanted to come here and just do a little bit of a twist. You are gonna be knowing me at the same time as knowing how to speak Tsonga. So I want to give you about 20 random facts about me, but I'm going to be doing it in Tsonga, so I'm going to be translating it for you guys. So here it goes, 20 facts about me that I feel like you guys should know, and I'm going to be translating for you guys to understand. But the reason I'm doing this is because this is good for an intro if you're trying to get to know somebody, or or they trying to get to know you. Like, this is pretty good. You could ask these questions or you could give these answers. First thing, what is your full name? Somebody would say Imani Vito Rawena. You know this. Imani Vito Rawena. Vito is name. My name is Hlingiwe Dorcas. Those are my full names. The next question is, who is your best friend? Imani Mungana Wawena Walekusuani. Imani Mungana Wawena Walekusuani. Right? That's like a close friend. Mungana is a friend, right? So munghana wa mina akuri Tiani, a very close friend, but we hambana maka swa ku hambana, so humelela vuton'wini. So there goes that. How do you feel right now? U titwa njhani sweswiwani? U means you. Like, I could never say u referring to me. So this question says, how do you? U is for somebody else, like how does that person feel, or you could say ulava yini, what do you want, or you could say ulava yini, that person, what does that person want, but it's never about me, right? So I would answer this question and say ndzi titwa kahle. Honestly, ndzi titwa kahle, meaning I feel good. I don't have anything to complain about. You could answer this in like your own way and say anzi titwi kahle, meaning you don't feel good. Anzi so remember, u is for you, a is for me, like a as in like a, right? That is for me. Anzi titwi kahle. Utitwa njani? Anzi titwi kahle. That is for me. What is your current relationship status? So well, to ask this question, I think there are 3 ways that you would ask this in Tsonga, and you would say una mani, utiba na mani, oranzana na mani. So I would answer and say, and this is personal, this is true for me, nzitsakile, I'm happy. Nzinamun, I have a person. And this goes for the people, the men who send me emails. I have men who are sending me emails talking about they want to learn Xitsonga, so let's just get to know each other, like give me your WhatsApp like numbers. No, please don't do that. Don't do that. No, we're not doing that here. Another question is, what is your favorite song? Oranza ngoma yi. Oranza ngoma yi. U, you, remember? Oranza ngoma yi. Ranza means love. Like, what do you love? What's your favorite song right now? Or you could say risimu ngoma. Na risimu means song. Risimu leri ndzi ri rhandzaka sweswiwani is Promises. Rhandza No One Beside You. Rhandza Heart in My Hands. What are the 3 things that you love? Ndzi byeli swilo swinharhu leswi u swi rhandzaka. 3 swinharhu leswi u swi rhandzaka. Anytime you hear rhandza, rhandzile, whatever, anything that has rhandza with it means love or like or favorite, right? Swilo swinharhu leswi mina ndzi swi rhandzaka i Xikwembu, ni rhandza ndyangu wa ka hina, ni rhandza mina swinharhu swintsongo, ni rhandza na munhu wa mina. So Xikwembu, which is God, ndrangu wa ka hina, ndrangu wa ka hina, my family. Ndzi rhandza mina, ndza ti rhandza swinene. I love myself. And then shavu 4, ndzi rhandza munhu wa mina. That means I love the person that I'm with. I'm not gonna finish these questions, but we're gonna have another part where I'm gonna be just like continuing in this manner so that you can, you know, have something to talk about with either a stranger, somebody you like, or whatever the case may be, or just trying to get to know somebody or them trying to get to know you. So this is going to be a pretty lengthy video, and I don't want that. I honestly want you to take in as short as the video is, so that we can even have more content for the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God loves you, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.